Second verse.
You guys good?
Let me see. Tim, did you get a decent mix in there?
That's the most cranking one there is. That's as loud as it's gonna go. Okay? Hang on, Pete. Is that gonna kill you? What are you thinking? Oh. Yeah, well, there's guitar coming out of his keyboard. That was the thing, Ray, too. It was like there's guitar coming out of here and there's bass. And there's like